TikTok won't let you change your birthday in the app, but there's a workaround most people don't know about. Here's exactly how to do it in under 2 minutes. Let's get into it. Open TikTok and tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap the 3 lines at the top right, then go to Settings and Privacy. Here's the thing. You can't change your birthday directly in the app. You have to go through TikTok support. So tap the Help Center option. In the Help Center, scroll down to Accounts. Tap See More. Then select Editing Profile. At the bottom of that page, tap Chat with Us. When asked what you need help with, select Account. Then choose I want to update my birthday. The automated chat will prompt you. Tap Edit Date of Birth. Enter your correct birthday and tap Confirm. A pop-up will appear. Tap Confirm. Another pop-up will appear. Tap Done. That's it. Birthday updated. If this helped you out, hit that like button. It genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe for more quick TikTok and social media fixes. Drop a comment below if you ran into any issues and I'll help you out.